Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2014 Mercedes Benz. So from any screen, you've got the Navi button here, or if you click the rotary controller forward, it brings up the top menu and you go on to Navi. Now, if for any reason it comes onto that screen, the map, what you have to do is click the back button, and then that brings up your navigation menu. So where to, click on the where to. You've got points of interest address, go home. You can set your home address, so it's just quick. You just click it from anywhere you want. Enter town, enter postcode. So we turn the rotary selector to enter postcode, click on enter postcode, and then we've got the rotary dial, which I prefer because I always forget where the letters are on the QWERTY keyboard. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR. And now it's defaulted to numbers, which is good because a lot of systems you have to switch between them. 5. And again, some systems, if you've only got 2 digits in your postcode, you have to put a space in. So we've gone on to PR54 and then J S. Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR54JS, and then basically there's a tick there and that's highlighted. Sometimes it gives you a couple of options. So, and it's asking me for a number. I'll just put a number in for ease of use. And then even though we've told it 3 times, we now have to tell it to go. Calculating the route. That's it done. Also, if you click on the screen, if you click on the screen there, you can stop. Sorry, just click on the rotary selector. It brings up another menu at the bottom, so you can stop the route, like so. As soon as you get near enough home and you don't need it yakking anymore, you just stop the route. Or also, you can mute, like so. But I'll unmute that. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in 2 weeks.